gonna wake up, Ella. Should we do that for the light? Happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
dear Ella. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning.
Ich muss erst mal kurz aufstehen.
Sister, I told you.
What?
She has to get up at 8. She needs to be there at 9.
Ah, so.
That's why.
Okay.
She was happy to sleep a bit longer.
You didn't say. I'm gonna leave this here for a while. That would. So. Hello, good morning. Today is Ella's Geburtstag or birthday. Magdeko mi ni Frank. Gitagad sa namo siya mulakaw kay wala man day siya early deans karon. Naman day siya seminar. Napa ang deco ni Francine. It's still the deco from Francine's birthday. That's actually all in one for the whole year. Muna ang ginabuhat.
We need to have 9 other kids. So we have every month one birthday.
Gagubot among balay, guys. Sorry. Di gini nagkawagtang gini among balay, grabe kagubot. So amo ra ni ikadali na clip. Then balik ra mi on niya. Nag-wrap to gift here. Pero kanya ko mga gipang wrap. Mura jud ko garap og mga gifts sa pambata. Kay si Ella ganahan ko siya mga kanamitang mga kuan, guys. Mga anime pa. May mga cute stuff. It's blowing the biggest heart balloon. By the way, Ella and Frank is like cat and dog. Maybe.
Do I love her that much?
Maybe after 10 years or 20 years.
After my death.
Ella was married and passing by or in my one of the videos. See how hard is that gonna blow a biggest heart with that kleine, with the smallest geret there. It's not even a geret.
And it broke. The air is coming out the back here.
Oh God. Karon pa mi nakakuan kay gabi Last night we thought we do it in early in the morning. Turned out she's not out in the house early in the morning. Hapit na may mahuman, guys. Butang na ni Frank ang... You're gonna be a bit higher. And then dito ang heart. Tapos finalize ng dayon. Buhat ko sa cake, mag-icing. And then manglimpyo. So guys, nahuman na rami. Si Frank, grabe Frank, pwede ito mag-business ni Frank. Muna. Then, final touch up ra ni. Mag-over ako kadali. Gifts are ready. Ang cake na lang, wala pa na buhutang, icing. A big heart there. The big guy. He's writing
I know ideas what to write.
Every year we have to write something here. Only him is not writing to me.
Yeah.
Me, I always write every year. Everybody must write.
I'm good with my hands, not with my mouth.
I really like the heart there. See that, guys? This house is full of heart.
Shit.
Ang ganda. Nindot kayo. Oh. Wow. Mura na yung 18th birthday dire. Si Frank has to work. somehow wala siya off today. So, anyway, we're not gonna really celebrate big time. As usual, we're gonna have a cake and then open gifts, blow the candle. Moro man na, spend time lang. Ako ang birthday gid diri guys, di kay kung gana. Ella has no friends too, and anyway, she has a friends, but anyways, today is Tuesday. Na ay mga klase iyang friends. And in the weekend, I am working and she di po siya gusto i-invite. Di niya i-invite yung mga friends. So, that's why. Oo na, guys. So, later, finalize lang na ako ang among handa gamay. So, maora to. Nindot, no? Pagkabuhat, maglimpyo lang ko dapat. Oh, nindot. Leave a space for us, yeah. Instead a long. Nagbuhat ra mig letter every year. Birthday card yun mi dire. Ganon kay ko sa ball. Ganon kay ko guys. Frank's idea. Ako gapalit sa deco. Then si Frank ang ga decorate. May kini siya mo kuan eh. May gini mo decorate ni kogtong oh. Ang table na lang dayon ni arrange na ako tapos finalize na ko ang gift. I had 18 gifts. And then, finalize na lang din ako. Ora, then na ako'y, namin tulo ka cake. Ang isa, pinalit na ako. Pistachio cake. Then, ang duha, gibake na ako. I mean, ang vanilla cake, si Ella actually ang nagbuhat gabi eh. Tapos, chocolate cake ako. Then, siguro, mag-oven lang ko, o mag-bake lang ko, o pork belly or ako gusto na ko siya ilitsyon pero kago man maglitsyon guys we di mga so mura to. I will continue later para di itaas ang video. Yeah,
And then
P
P.
Card before maabot si Ila.
P.
Kapit mo na ako nalimtan guys. Nahuman naman day ko mo ni ang among nabuhat ni Frank. Ang botong napakita man suna ko ninyo ganina.
Hello.
Ana-ana ang duha. Nasundo na nako sila guys. Gikan kindergarten. Si Ella is na dira.
And I'm
Birthday girl. And then we're gonna sing today. Happy birthday, Barb. You're 5. And how old is Ate Ella?
Ella is 18.
Yeah. And I'm here.
And that's
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Ella. Birthday to you. Make a wish.
Some bus type here. Look.
Bro, be quiet.
Yay! Yeah. Kami ramang good dere. Nabay, unsa man ang heart dira sa background na BFF mama o BFF papa. You have to remove the strawberry. Ni kay moist kayo siya good.
Yes, so spit.
You have to just slice it in the thing. Ne, yeah, in the side ba. Ayaw apilang. Ayaw apilang kuan.
You broke the wonderful cake.
Chocolate moist cake, guys. So,
Hello.
so who's gonna have?
Me. Ella.
Yeah, 'cause
Ella,
she's
the birthday
girl.
cake. And then I.
Can you give me a plate, Francis?
A plate. Oh. Okay.
Schmeckt wie Kaffee.
I didn't make it so sweet.
Hast du das gemacht?
Yeah, I didn't make it so sweet para lami. Kay sumod man ang cake na chocolate na grabe ka. Moist cake. Moist.
Als nächstes bin ich Mädchen sind immer zuerst.
Ilog. Ako rin bake ana na cake.
Ano,
Moist
mo?
cake. Moist cake DIY.
Francis is
I think that's
Storbo.
mura na siya o katong sa kuan ba? Itong sa tunga pag imong ikuan.
Lava cake.
Lava cake. Lava cake panday road. Lava cake. So, Is this Francis? Where's
No,
yours,
that's
Francis?
mine.
Okay. Is
Here,
Can
Francis.
I eat already?
Naturally.
I'm gonna give you a big one, Francis.
Draw for the chocolate. So, pabinlan ro ba niya yung papagsaka slice? Papa doesn't like a chocolate cake. So, mora ni among 18th birthday diri. Let's see what's like in Philippines. Sa Philippines, namin magtigi.
Kung uli.
Kung makauli ka, may ticket. Abu Dhabi ang layover. layover, Abu Dhabi. Okay ra. Missile ro eh.
Lekker.
Lami? I baked that. Chocolate. Lami dong? Is it lekker dong? Lami? Oh! Lami lagi. Nga na mi guys.
So your tongue was the
Ako gimix sa phone o sa Osmo. Bacon o kuan. Gibuhat na. Og mozzarella. Gi-homemade.
like this.
Ampay gani Francis. Then akong cake. Pakita na ko ninyo. Pakita na ko ninyo ha. Moist kaayo.
Hello.
Kilawan ako ha.
Pag-business na.
Moist kay ang cake ko. Dugay na kula ka bake og chocolate cake. I think I'm good in chocolate cake ra. Moist kayo.
Mag-bless niyo mo kasi susunod.
Dasildor pa akong last buhatan eh. Dayon, moist kayo. Moist chocolate cake. Sige, balik ko moist. Dayon, wala na ako gitam.
A TikTok trend there.
TikTok. Tapos wala na ako siya gi. Tamis kaayo. I-adjust na ko ang asukal.
Mama,
Hmm?
why are you always talking Filipinos? They can't understand.
They will understand. My viewer is Filipinish.
And look, she's probably gonna write that one in English. On Deutsch. Like
So,
almost
grabe ang
every
paano,
vlog I do that.
Ang saan eh?
Deutsch and English. Because English the people that can't read that.
Ngayon tiwas. Isa ka slice. Mabusog kay ka. Ang ako mabadumduman ani nga chocolate cake eh. Natoy sa iligan na chocolate cake na ang isa ka slice grabe na. Kaya ito ngalan ato eh. Ay iligan. Nato kalami ang chocolate cake. May kayo. Homemade pizza guys.
Show me.
Na bacon ani o mozzarella cheese. Bacon mozzarella cheese. Namian do ko sila sa cake. So, kaunta. Napugoy lasagna dito. Napugoy lasagna
It's
dito.
poisoned.
No, it's not. She actually ate.
Kaunta.
Thank
Homemade.
And the head is also flat.
Ang tayo.
Oh, yeah. You have the same hairstyle at the guy.
Francis is eating there.
Bye-bye.
It's not recording.
It is.
Oh.
He still sees you. And
No. Huh? Cake, pizza. Excuse me.
I'm hoping.
What? Na ako lechon nun. Wala pa na ako gilechon. May namang good. Kamila, gabalik dyan.
Get up then. Why are you saying that?
Frank is duty. Dugay kami na human og decor ani day.
The pizza on the floor.
Nangat-kat.
Pizza.
Kat-kat. Grabe yung paburot. Dugay kailan na humagbo.
Gross!
Dugay kailan na humagburot ang heart. Ano si
Vad
Frank?
här stod det about?
Kek.
Här stod det direkt like the
Last minute na naman naan. Hawoy kanyang kamuto bilumba.
But, the one not doing anything. Butter. Butter. Butter.
Inom tag coconut water.
Coconut water. You all like me. I
Lahi
know
lagi
that.
ang birthday diri, guys. Ngani ra mong birthday diri? Coconut water. Can you sit down right na unsa nga isa na? Ang tag coconut water. Kung baso.
Can I try?
You tried it last time and you don't want it.
Francis tried it.
Don't spit it out. Okay?
Where did you
Get a
drink?
spoon. Get a spoon.
No.
Because if you
Last time I drink it and then I first look it.
yeah.
Yeah.
You
I
first
didn't
look?
spit it out.
Balikan na tong cake. Balikan. Nambok man tayo eh.
It's burning.
Maglisod ka
That's
gulot sa saka
healthy.
slice. Kita na nako ninyo guys, no? Ang gift nako dere. Now katangtango na jud ba? 8 ang tulips, you can also have the tulips. Ang bulak, you can have that in your room.
Yeah.
That's yours.
Ooh.
So, you go there dong. Ano dong? Wa mo day mo picture. Picture sa mong tulob or picture sa tang upat. Picture sa tang upat. Pinasela sa yung gift. So, I have, wait a second.
It's a video.
I'm gonna explain. I have 18 gifts there. We have 18 gifts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Gihap yun nila eh.
Best.
Cause you are 18 years old. Gihap yun nila eh. Sige na.
They are 19.
Continue, you cannot count.
Sige.
20 are.
Sige.
Come on.
Francis!
That's Francis.
Why are you hiding?
18 na ba kabuok a beach nel ya? Sige.
14, right?
Port Rainbow. That's from Francis. Oh. Francine? Where are you, Francis? What will you say to Francis, oy?
Thank you, Francis.
Nagibawi mo nang
Thank you. You would be amazed when you see.
Oh, that's from Francine.
It's probably from her room.
That's from Francine.
I find it new.
What the?
She gave her a Korome. Korome keychain. Oh, ang nawong yung
You
Francine.
like it?
Yep.
That's an M for Marcella.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
That's very nice.
Say thank you.
Yeah, danke. Welche soll ich nehmen?
Egal. Iulahin na ng card.
Start with the small ones. Yeah, that's gonna be like.
That's heavy.
That's heavy.
It's gold bar.
You really think that the gold bar, a tiny gold bar? Ich habe das heute noch ausgesehen.
Was ist das? Was ist das?
Sa perfume.
Oh,
Ah,
this.
perfume na kuan, madala-dala.
Yeah.
Easy to carry perfume. Unsay sulod? Ah, wow.
Ufa, Barbie.
A Barbie. Unsa mo na pagtangtang? I don't know that.
Keine Ahnung.
But that smells good. I like that smell of
Oh,
that.
you can just get a press.
I figure out that later before you kapot makin.
Give me that. I'm gonna put that on here.
So,
In the book and go in the bed. What?
you wanna go sit down there in the front, Francis, to see?
What the? Weißt du, wie viel Spiegel ich jetzt habe?
Number 2 is
Compact mirror.
compact mirror. Compact mirror.
Now let me see. How cute. That's so
This is chopstick.
Chop. Number 3 three is chopstick.
Weißt du, wie schwer das ist?
Yeah, this is metal. I think
Ja, das ist schwerer als Holz.
I think you can put that in the dishwasher. I'm not sure now because I hate now you have more chopsticks. When she moved out in the house, she has to carry all her chopsticks.
to toy.
What?
Toy.
Toy in your birthday?
Here.
It's not your birthday, man. It's Ate Ella, man.
Bro, ich dachte, das Messer.
Francine, out!
Wofür?
You need that for cutting your hair.
Oh, I like that style.
Yeah, she gets a haircut kit.
I want to.
Next is, what did she get there? What number is that now? Pila na na? 1, 2, 3. Ako, 4.
Five.
Number 5?
Apil mo dyan.
No, wala labot laha. Amo ara ng duwa.
Not
The
6.
heck?
What do you have there?
Candy dish.
Dukan sa snish. Abi ko muna yung mga gusto.
It's
Oh.
That's a Pop Mart. Pop Mart?
Yeah, pop animation. Funko.
Funko. I thought you liked that. You have collection of that.
Ja, ich hab.
Yeah, now you have another one.
Ja.
So, then, why don't
Ich
you get...
glaub, das ist ein Lego. Wo weiß ich das? Ein Lego.
She thinks it's a Lego.
Lavendel.
It's a... Wait a second. Huh?
Ist das neu?
It's Noy. It's new collection nila sa Bloomin. Now you have some...
Ich hab jetzt.
How many Bloomin you have now?
Ich hab nur 2.
Doc?
Von denen. Ich
Ach
hab ja
so.
diese Ding. Herz.
Yeah, so dry na.
Ja.
Und du hast so diese Cherry Blossoms. So.
Ja, das ist das.
Why don't I the paper bag? Para mahuman ang paper bag. So what is that there? Number 6? Is that number 6?
6. Ja.
7 na na?
Ja.
7. Umbrella.
Hell.
Ja.
I want bag. I want
Ist das echt?
Yeah, it's this Ash Brelly. Cook is heavy.
I want bag.
So, do it, Rishtish. Do it, Rishtik daw. Rishtik
I
daw.
want bag.
Warte.
I want bag.
Yeah.
You look so ugly.
You have to make it close.
Like, you look like you are the like
Can
like
use that
little
for-
boy. A teacher. You look like a teacher.
A teacher. Teacher ka karon.
Ella, do you like my
Das ist
presents?
jetzt. Ah.
Ah, okay. What's that? 8. Number 8.
Ja.
Yeah.
8.
What? Wow.
Collector's thing. Hello Kitty.
Give me auch one.
Wow.
Give me out.
Das ist cool.
Show mother.
It's a collector's thing, Francine. You cannot play with that, na?
I know. But let me still buy it.
If I
Das
see one.
ist 9.
9.
What's that?
Schöne große Ding.
Ouch, Francis. Can you come here?
Lip gloss.
Number 9, 10?
10.
10, 9. Awa, Francis. Awa. You're too big. Sit down here. Sit down here, Nibin Mama. It hurts my...
Schwer. Warum hat das kein Ding?
Was?
Das ist direkt.
Yeah.
Bag. Mama, you know what? I want this bag.
Ein Buch.
That's a book. A motivational book.
Ah.
You should read that. What does it say there?
Mag ich in der Nacht.
Ang say ingon
She
dira.
believed she could, so she did.
Show me. She believed she could, so she did.
Francis, why you...
You should not, that's her, na?
I want to collect this.
That's her.
Keychain.
Show me the keychain.
Keychain lip balm.
The strawberry.
Show. It's not your birthday yet, Francine. Keychain.
Stress.
Stress. Na-stress mo.
What's this? What's that? What's that? Yo,
Ah,
it's
sure, that's
unbelievable. So unbelievable.
Das ist jetzt 11.
Elf?
Ja?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11.
11, 12, 13, 14. 9.
Huh?
Das ist 12.
1, 2, 3, 4,
9, 1,
5,
2,
6, 7, 8,
3.
9, 10,
Let's
11,
see.
12.
Das ist 12.
Oh, hier.
Ja, das ist 12.
12. Was ist das? Ein Pyjama-Set.
And pajama set. You don't need. You have so much clothes already, so I think you need summer pajamas. So
Yep.
Nein, nicht das.
Kannst du es? Gib mal
Nochmal?
zur Seite.
13.
Ist das auch ein Pyjama?
I think so. Oder?
What the?
Ich glaube, das ist auch ein Pyjama.
Yeah, but I think the Oberteil you can use for is chefs. Ano sana? Ano sa tawag na tayo?
Nein, ich kenn's nicht.
Sa kwan ba? Football, no? I think.
Ja,
Yeah, mantay hanawan niyo eh.
ich auch nicht.
NFL ba? NFL eh. Okay. So next
Jetzt habe
is
ich eine Blume.
sana na number
14.
14. Yeah.
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 Eine Blume
Blume, flowers.
und mein Gesicht.
Nasa picture. Frame, remembrance mong 18th birthday.
Warum ist da so viel?
You have to do it. I had a. You have to do it yourself.
Das ist so schwer.
Yeah, because that I bought that in Tiki. Tiki Max.
Was du uns denn Mickey Mouse?
That was long time lang, fancy. Allergy may sa Tiki Max eh. Was is that?
Pushing!
It's your birthday
That was
or?
enough. That was enough. That was enough. There's over there.
Das Ding.
It's a makeup bag or I don't know. It's a makeup bag.
Pushing from like what's that?
What's that pushing?
From Tokabuka.
Akso.
No, it's like
Yeah.
Pushing.
Yes,
Aha.
like a carrot. Pee. Then
You go
pee.
pee. May rapod.
ganz Liebe.
You know I want this one. And that's why I got it.
I don't know if
I
I can.
like the emo.
I don't know if I can still find that. That was long time. I summered. What do you have?
Night shoes.
Ein Schuhe.
Shoes. New Balance shoes. Shoes.
I wanted that shoe.
You wanted the shoes? You want all everything man. Oy. You waited for your birthday.
Brother, you just buy the best thing for my sister. And not for me.
Oh, Francine. You have to. She's 18 now. She's 18. You have to open it, cut it. Get a scissor. Because we have to. No, you have to.
Ist das nicht von oben oder unten?
Egal so. You have to cut it with a scissor, I think. Nine scissor. Get a scissor ko. It's okay, Francine. She'll find her way.
You know what she got for that? A push.
Hansin.
A Hertz pillow.
What did you do?
A shoes.
What shoe?
So that is 17 and the 18 is the card. You're gonna read the card.
Oh. Das war 17.
Yeah. And that is the 18.
Yeah. Read first mine, Ella. Mine. So. Mine. So. Mine. Mine.
Ang cross. Taga kang cross.
Put money inside.
Bro.
Yes.
200 bucks. That's 200
She gonna buy her own gift.
No, that's 200 bucks, Francis.
She decided
100 plus 100, 200 plus 200 bucks.
200 euros, not bucks. Bucks is $1, I think.
I'm rich.
Ask Atela to treat you.
Is it real? Look,
No,
That's-
it's fake.
Pass out na.
that's real.
You didn't even read the card. You're up only for the money, eh?
Read mine first.
Is your, she's,
Birthday, I want out money.
she's, let's see,
Happy
okay?
birthday, Ella. You are. In my next birthday, I want money.
Yeah. Okay dong. Okay dong. Mga nawong mo kwarta.
Francis, hast du das geschrieben?
He took the grocery, the
300 bucks I want.
$300 when you are 18. You need to be 18 to get.
Then
No.
I want 100 bucks.
It's my gift.
100 bucks.
100 bucks.
Cool.
Let's see. So could you tell us what you want to say?
200 bucks.
Something.
Dankeschön.
I want 200
Thank you
bucks.
so much.
200 bucks.
$200.
Yeah.
Let's see, okay? So that's all. Ang iyang nadawatan, kwarta, is pinaka-importante sa tanan. I think we all need money para siya rin magpalit sa iyang gusto. Because I don't know anymore what to give to her.
What you know what to give me? Das. Aber auf jeden Fall will ich auch so ein.
Das ist cool.
That's the thing is, Francine, if you get that one, it's
That
only
is
for
cool.
the collectors.
Yeah, I know.
Collecting, you
And
don't
collecting.
collecting.
In collecting zum Beispiel Pokémon-Karten.
From all the gift, what did you want? What did you like from all?
I like this.
You like the pillow, Francis?
Yeah.
Ich glaube, ich mag das.
Diese,
Oder das.
What is?
that or that, from all the gifts. Okay. Not the money.
Money?
Das ist auch cool.
Okay, then give me the 200 bucks.
What are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna buy planes. Yeah, I'm gonna buy planes for 200 bucks.
Yeah, you're gonna get the miniature. Not the
He
real one.
can get the one in Lego in that case, the plane. the
The same?
Oh yeah, that other plane.
Yeah.
I buy the Concorde.
What are you doing?
Concorde,
Why are you
no?
opening my
Yeah,
gift?
the Concorde is the coolest plane of the world.
Yeah.
And that's not a normal plane.
Yeah.
Because the nose can go like that and
Uh-huh.
like that.
Yeah.
And the Concorde first.
Yeah.
Like this, and the firebird.
I like this.
Yeah, I like this. And I like this.
That's pink.